This is Matt, and this is a video on how to convert from pints to litres online. So whatever you need this for, whether you're in a kitchen, whether you're somewhere else, whether you're just in a pub or something, you want to know how to convert from pints to litres. I like to use this converter here. You can see the URL on the screen. I'll put that in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that and wind up here. It's quite a long URL. So once you're here, by default, we have US pints in liquid form into litres. Now, if you're in the UK like I am, you can do US pints dry, you can do US pints liquid, slight difference there. But you can come up to the top on this drop down, you can go for UK pints if you need to do UK pints. And of course they have all these other different conversions as well, but we'll just stick with US pints right there. I'm just saying there's a difference between the two. So US pints in liquid form into litres, you just literally put your value in here. So let's say it's 120. We can find straight away that 120 pints is 56.781 litres. So you can put any kind of value here. Let's say it was a bigger number, maybe like dealing with something on a farm or something. You can see, you can put decimal points as well. 8,564.45 in pints is actually 4,052.5 litres. So hopefully you found this video. You get like the conversion stuff here. And there's actually a table at the bottom there. So this site, as far as I can see, isn't littered with ads like a lot of these conversion pages are. Saying that, an ad just popped up. Let's get rid of that. But yeah, for the most part, this is a pretty clean site. It just wanted to embarrass me there with an ad just randomly popping up. But yeah, I like to use this site. It's pretty good. Highly recommend bookmarking it, wherever you are in the world, whether you're on cell phone, mobile phone, tablet, desktop. It's always here for you. Hopefully you found this video useful on how to convert from pints to litres online. If you have found this helpful, drop this video a like, it really helps. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.